Hi, welcome back to another episode of School of Sketching. This is the second episode of our 4-part series that explores the different places artists draw inspiration from. We'll be focusing on what artists remember in this episode. For our project today, you need 3 pieces of paper, a pencil, and some markers. Using these supplies, we are going to make a mini comic strip. A comic strip is a set of drawings arranged into panels to tell a story. Many of the superhero movies and TV shows you watch actually started off as comics. For this comic strip, we want you to tell the story of a time you learned something new using 4 panels. I'm going to be telling the story of the time that I learned how to ride a bike. I'll start by creating a list of 4 events that happened while I was learning how to ride a bike. This list will be what I base my drawings off of in the comic. After I create my list, I'm going to do a small sketch of what I want to draw in each panel of my comic on a new piece of paper. Before I start sketching, I'm going to make 4 rectangles to represent each panel of the comic. These sketches can be as quick and as messy as you want them to be. The goal of these sketches is to help you get an idea of what you want your final comic strip to look like. After I finish my sketches, I'm going to grab a new sheet of paper and fold it in half twice so that I have 4 rectangles. These rectangles are going to be our comic panels. Using a pencil, I'm going to begin drawing the scenes I just planned. Feel free to go in and add more details if you have empty space on any of your panels. Next, I'm going to outline my drawings with a black marker to make my lines easier to see. After that, I will erase any pencil lines that are still visible. Finally, I'm going to take my markers and color in my comic. If you like how your comic looks without color, you can just keep it black and white. And here's my finished comic strip. If you decide to make your own comic strip, don't feel like you have to finish it all in one day. You can always split it up by brainstorming one day, sketching your ideas another day, and then drawing the final version a later day. Thanks for watching our second video, and please subscribe if you want to see the rest of our series. We would love to see your comic strips, so submit pictures of them to this link, and we'll feature them in our upcoming videos.